Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify banner. To know how to fix or to solve Spotify banner, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone to fix that problem you have on Spotify. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.